Hello, my name is Jeff, and welcome to Select Motors Ltd. Visit our website at selectmotors.com. This is a 2006 SL500. The color is brilliant silver metallic with anthracite gray interior. This is the Sport Package, so you get the AMG trim, which includes the front bumper and the rear bumper are different than the standard non-AMG. The side skirts, and you also get 18-inch wheels. They are Sport AMG wheels. This one also has the rear spoiler. Nice dual exhaust. There you can see the AMG logo. Body's in beautiful condition. No dings or scratches. This was a Florida car, so rust-free. Take a look at the inside. Both seats are heated. They're both power with 3-position memory. Has factory navigation and satellite radio. Rain sensing wipers. Here's a look at the storage compartment. You can put packages behind you, and then you have 2 storage boxes as well. There's a center console and also a glove box. There's 2 cup holders. Here's a look at the driver's side. The leather's in excellent condition. It has tilt and telescoping steering wheel. It's electric. Fold up wind deflector. It also has a power roll bar. You can put it up manually. It's actually electric, but it's actually there for safety reasons. It'll pop up very quickly in the event of an accident. This has a lot of power, V8, and it's a 7-speed transmission for 2006. Gives you excellent performance and very good gas mileage. You can get over 25 miles per gallon on the highway. Great car, a fraction of the original price. These were $100,000 cars. Thank you for looking in. Give us a call. We'd love to tell you more about it.